So I needed a way to share images between my parent and my child's application. This is an MDI form, and in the link below, after I post this to YouTube, I'll put the actual code on GitHub and put a link down there for you. But the idea is I want to send this image to the child, which I do on startup. You'll see that in the form. That's relatively simple. Now, getting the image from the child to the parent, that's a little more difficult. So when I click this button, we're going to create a new child. It already has a picture of the lion, and you see the picture automatically was sent from the parent to the child. We want to send this picture to here. So we are going to do that. We're going to set up another form, another child. You can have as many forms as you want. And this, we're going to change the image so that we can prove that it actually does work. And we're going to send that to the parent. Now, notice here, that if you create an instance of the child form to get an instance without showing the actual form, this button here will do it. I don't know how it'll work once you already got a picture there. Oh, it did work. Okay. That one didn't work. But anyway, that's not the main point. The main point was just to share the images. You can share anything. And all you got to do is just change the constructor from image to string or whatever you want to share. All right, thanks again. I'll post a link down here so you can actually try it and see the code on GitHub. Thanks and have a good day.